right, welcome back everybody to Daytime Live. Now Sting is possibly cancelled or cancelled for this year, probably. But dancehall artists Tommy Lee and Masicka, they're very much giving fans an online version of their lyrical war. Now, over the past few weeks, the Spartan and the Genocide camps have been trading bars as Tommy Lee Sparta and Masicka fire lyrical shots at each other. So we have our guest today.
Yeah, so the clash kicked off when Tommy Lee Sparta dropped his single Control, which was met with a fire response from Masicka called Vain. Now today, we're breaking it down to see who's really in the lead, the impact of these songs, and how it's just being consumed by the public. And joining us are content creators One Claus, and Fame 95's very own DJ Rich Rock.
My dear, hi, gentlemen. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Big up on us. Hey,
Claus,
Claus, big man voice there.
I know. I'm afraid I'm like, Jesus. Good afternoon.
Yes.
All right.
You gentlemen have been keeping up with the clash.
Yes, I have.
Quickly, who do you think I lead? Don't go ready.
Start this, write this on.
Write this up.
Well, you know, looking on all of the posts on social media, if you go on a TikTok live, if you go in an Instagram comment section, what you see on X, I can't find a consensus. One side I say the Gaza camp gone clear, the other side I say genocide can't lose. I've never seen a war, a clash so divided. I've never seen any type of... You see, with Malidan and Chronicler, there was almost a clear, we could say, yes, the audience like this, or no, the audience, I don't know who is winning right now.
Oh,
yeah, in recent times.
He looks different, like he's looking like you don't agree.
I mean, to some extent...
we want to know his opinion.
It's what are we looking at to say, you know, who is leading? Okay, if you're looking at the songs, are they playing in the party space? Sean Stam song where, no, really, it's a lead.
Yeah.
Everybody is moving to that. You know what I mean? The Masicka, the Tommy Lee songs, them have this song, them hot. But are they getting that
rotation
in the party scene?
But
that's
so you're a DJ, so you have the musical background. You're embedded in the culture in a musical kind of way. Looking back at some of the popular clashes, like one of probably the most famous ones, Cartel and Movado, the Gully Gaza clash, looking at the lyrics and everything, and considering what clash culture entails, are you getting that from these clashes?
Man. Yes, from the most recent.
Most recent.
Family, Masicka, it's working. It's something that was needed, especially in our time, to bring back a vibe in dancehall.
Let me hear what Claus officer, because I think I have a contrary opinion. I'm going to go on, Claus.
Let me tell you, as much as one side can say they're winning and the other side has said the other team will lose, dancehall is winning, as you just said.
True.
Dancehall is winning.
What's happening for dancehall?
We needed the attention, we needed a little boost, we needed something in the festive season, especially after Melissa. You know, we need something to take our mind off of what's going on. So I want to say thank you to everybody involved. From all the money we are code key and jumping at the argument. Because as he rightfully said, fun and jokes aside, it's the fun and jokes that's leading.
That's true.
Anywhere you go.
But then that kind of... But don't you think Duffy too then...
It's what it is.
Which is kind of interesting that the song that would be least regarded as a song is this song that is being played. So it shows that Jamaica love the entertainment. I love the foolishness.
But what I may say, imagine I put my pen to paper and put in these lyrics here, and then each match.
And a pitch match, it's scratch code.
And that's what hurts the most about social media now, because you'll write a script and you'll plan and you'll edit and all sorts of effort, and then a man just pinch, point, and it's running the world. It's running the world. It's international. Pinch, point. Just look on the stats. You don't have to argue.
You can imagine after you come you go song for song. Then when I'm put the flyer, it is Sean Stam and many more.
And more.
And you in many more.
And more. I
actually think that as competitive as Clash is, I think the two most significant clashes that we have known about is the Bounty Beanie, Movado, Cartel. But those songs were songs that got radio rotation in and of themselves.
And streets, not only radio, but even but to know, you can have a colleague
Gaza clash,
yes, being a Bounty segment.
Reaction.
Do you think that, I mean, at any point in the future, I'm asking both of you, that we will see these songs, or do you think that the artists should spend a little bit more time, that even though it is a clash, let's see how I can really make this a part of my repertoire of songs?
All right. With what's happening now, the hook melody is not connecting for that to happen. Them have lyrics. Some System, Masicka, lyrics.
Yeah, go System. What about the one him drop after System?
Literal.
Everything, the reply in what, 4 hours? That little segment there with the both Tamale, Masicka.
Back to back, right.
They might drop something. They are saying things. But is it songs that can play after the clash?
Yeah.
That's what we need.
Right.
Yeah.
What do you say
Clause
then?
ready.
I think the problem is that we don't have another avenue to take the music to. We don't have the Sting this year. We don't have the stage shows going on. A lot of the clashes and the back and forth is being kept in the media, especially social media. And there's no real way to take it to the next level. So can these songs get replay value? I mean, they have to perform them. They have to clash. They have to go out. They have to do what historically people do in dancehall. All now, I don't hear the man them clash on the same rhythm. Up to now, we're losing recipes. What is going on?
But then again, we haven't been recording songs on the same rhythm. So do you think that is also a factor too? Because back in the day, you have a rhythm and you have 10 man come out on the rhythm.
In recent time, you can say juggling is back somewhat. So to be honest, I agree with you.
Look at the rhythm that just come out with Mac and them. Them are juggle.
Yeah. I mean, if Mac could reach out to both of them and put them at juggling, it would have made sense.
Somebody
set it up on me.
What do you say then? Because this is one man, it seems, right? Masicka holding his own against quite a number of persons who have, come out in support of the Gaza.
Two people jump in.
Joshie
running, when him there has...
I wouldn't really say Joshie running as much, because technically him started. No, him started. When him go up on the stage and say, Ray, right? It's kind of that, put the war tension for the Gaza camp and then the genocide camp. So if anybody for Court Key and join the argument is him, and him have a big song.
Does it matter who wins?
Well, we're winning.
Quickly.
We're winning. So it don't matter.
Give persons your social media platform so who can follow and hear what's going on.
One clause never feel high who. You can follow me on Instagram at One Clause. You can follow me on TikTok. I just lost my previous account, but we're back again. You can follow me on Clause the First. You can follow me on X or Twitter. Just type in One Clause, you'll find me.
And Clause with a K?
With a C. C-L-A-U-Z-E.
Yeah, okay.
DJ RICHROCC, that's DJ Rich Rock on all socials. So once you type that in, sure to find me.
All right, and it's Dufton Shepherd. Listen, that brings us to the end of another episode of Daytime Live. Thanks for rocking with us today.
Join us again on Friday for another episode. Stay with us here on TVJ.
Keep that itch up.